Hello again, everyone. Hopefully we're all feeling all right coming off of our third exam as we head into our fourth and final unit of the semester, where here we're going to be starting off with Chapter 9, which talks about conic sections. And I know I've talked about being unimpressed with other sections in the book, but this one in particular I just don't have a whole lot of patience for. Honestly, when it comes to conic sections, I've used them twice in my life, taking this stuff when I took pre-calculus and teaching this stuff when I teach pre-calculus. There are people who use these things, specifically geometers, but really there are more interesting and more useful things we could be spending our time on. I take every opportunity to talk about removing this stuff from the curriculum, but it's still supposed to be here. So we will do it, but I'm going to de-emphasize some of the things that other people might spend more time on. In any case, with what we have here, we're going to be looking at first the ellipse in section 9.1, so we get the basic definitions there in terms of the standard form and some ways we can use this. And then in 9.2, we're going to be looking at the hyperbola, which is essentially the ellipse but turned inside out with a lot of those same sorts of structures, just different numbers, different pluses, different minuses. So for this week, we've got normal things for a normal set of materials, even though we're a little bit shorter this week because, I like to slow things down a little bit as we finish up, where we have a worksheet for the week. Then we have some assignments in my lab for next week. Don't forget about the challenge problem for the exam. I'm not going to put that up here because it's extra credit. We're past that point now. But we do have that pre-assessment as well for next week. So let's get in here and get to work with Chapter 9.